Want to stretch your food budget at the farmer's market? Let me show you how easy it is with Double Up Food Bucks Iowa. First, visit the information booth at a participating farmer's market. Sign up with your zip code and your SNAP EBT card. They'll give you SNAP tokens and Double Up Food Bucks that you can use to buy any SNAP-eligible items at the market. For every dollar you spend, you get the same amount in Double Up Food Bucks, up to $15 each day. Here's the cool part. You can use Double Up Food Bucks you earn at the market to buy even more fresh fruits and veggies at any of the Double Up Food Bucks participating locations. Just keep your card and reload any leftover bucks you didn't spend back onto your Double Up Food Bucks card. It's that simple. Eat more fruits and veggies, support local farmers, and double your dollars. Ready to start? Visit doubleupiowa.org to find our participating locations today.